Any doubt, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I am taking, what is that? Second type of areolar tissue. And what is that? In first type areolar tissue mein, what is that? Continuous proper. Sorry, connective proper. What is the name of first? First is called the connective tissue proper, in which the matrix is soft. Matrix soft. Now, second type of tissue I am taking here. What is that? Skeletal tissue, in which matrix is dense or mineralized. Dense and mineralized matrix is present in skeletal tissue. Second tissue is skeletal tissue, skeletal connective tissue, in which
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
This is not correct.
okay, listen me. Second tissue is called the skeletal tissue, in which matrix is dense and mineralized. It again divides in the two types. First is called the cartilage and second is called bone. Yes, beta. First of all, I am taking cartilage. You know, cartilage is a soft. Matrix is made up of protein and sugar. Matrix is made up of protein and sugar. It is soft matrix made up of protein and sugar. That is called the glycoprotein. Okay. And cartilage, where the cartilage is present? Cartilage present in nose, ear, trachea, larynx, nose, ear, trachea, larynx. Okay. And cartilage is flexible, hard and flexible. Okay. And matrix formed by the sugar and proteins. Yes. What is the function of cartilage? Cartilage give mechanical support. It gives the mechanical support in joint. In a joint, it gives the mechanical support. Actually, means, what is the function? It is the support. Yes, any doubt you can ask me question. Any doubt you can ask me question.
Ma'am, functions of cartilage.
Functions of cartilage. It provides flexibility and support at the joint. It provides flexibility and support at the joint of bone. Provide flexibility and support at the point of joint. Okay, that is the function of cartilage. Yes. Yes. Any doubt in cartilage? You can ask me question better. Again, I am going to repeat the cartilage. Listen carefully. You know, cartilage, soft and flexible. Matrix is made of sugar and protein. Okay. Where the cartilage is present? Nose beta, ear, larynx, trachea, bronchi, cartilage is present. What is the function of cartilage? Cartilage give mechanical supports and flexibility at the joint of bones. At the joint of bones. So, you know, act as a shock absorber. Act as a shock absorber. Shock absorber. When you are jumping, when you are running, in between the joint, cartilage is present. So when you have a jerk, any jerk is there, you can absorb that jerk. You have no injury due to the cartilage. Yes. Any doubt? Any doubt in cartilage? Yes, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Now I am taking next type of the skeleton. Next type of the skeletal connective tissue is a bone. What is that? Bone. You know, bone is non-flexible. flexible. Hard beta. Non-flexible, hard, made up of calcium and phosphorus. Means matrix is made up of calcium and phosphorus. Invertebrate endoskeleton is formed by the bone. Yani vertebrate endoskeleton is made up of bone. Okay. Listen me. Bone and what is the function of the bone? Bone form framework of the body. Gives support. Also gives support. Internal organ supported by bone and form framework of the body. Give support to internal organ. Okay. And bones also help in movement because the tendon attach bone with muscles that help in movement. Okay. Yes, any doubt? You can ask me question. Bones also protect inner vital organ. Bones can also protect inner vital organ. You know about the vital organ? Means heart, lungs. These are the vital organ. Bones protect vital organ also. Yes, beta. You have any doubt? You can ask me. Yes, any doubt? Any doubt, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Yes, listen me. Now I am taking, what is that? The third type of connective tissue, that is a vascular tissue, vascular connective tissue. Vascular connective tissue matrix is a fluid. Yani matrix is fluid, liquid form. And what is the example of the vascular connective tissue? Blood and lymph. What is the example? Blood and lymph. First of all, I am taking the blood. You know, blood is a connective tissue. Yes? Yes, beta? Are you getting my point? Blood is a connective tissue. Blood is made up of the two components, beta. What are that? First is called the plasma. Second is called the blood cell. First, plasma. Second called blood cell. First of all, I am taking plasma. You know, blood plasma, 55 to 60% is made up of, you know, the blood 55 to 60% is made up of the plasma. Blood 55 to 60% made up of the plasma, and in plasma 90 to 92% water is present. How much water, beta? 90 to 92% water is present. And what is present in the plasma? In a plasma, salts are present. Mainly, which salt is present? Sodium chloride. Mainly, which salt is present? Sodium chloride. And next, in which some proteins are present. Which proteins are there? Some proteins are also present in which protein are there? Albumin, globulin, fibrinogen. Albumin, the first protein is called the albumin, and second is globulin and fibrinogen. Albumin, globulins and fibrinogen. These proteins are present in plasma. Before that, beta, first of all, again I am taking in bone. Listen me, in bone the one point is left. What is that? In a bone, the cavity is present, marrow cavity present in the large bone. In a large bone, marrow cavity is present in which fatty tissue is present, that is called the bone marrow. Where the bone marrow is present? In large bone, marrow cavity present, in which fatty tissue present. What is the name? Bone marrow, beta. What is the function of bone marrow, beta? Produce the all blood cell. All blood cells are produced by the bone marrow. Okay? Any doubt? You know one more important thing. In the wall of bone, longitudinally, Haversian canal is present. In wall of bone, longitudinally, Haversian canal present. Transversely, Walkman canal is present. In this canal, blood, lymph, or nerve cells are present that supply the food in bone, that help in, that supply the message in bone. Again, I am repeating. In bone wall, Haversian, HAVER, Haversian canal present longitudinally or transversely. Walkman canal is present. Transversely, Walkman canal is present. By this, these canals are attached with blood, lymph, or nerve cell. Okay? Yes, beta, okay? Now again I am coming. Blood plasma. Again I am repeating plasma. Listen. In plasma, 60%, 55 to 60% part of blood. In blood, 55 to 60% plasma is present. Okay, listen me. Next in plasma, 90 to 92% water is present. Mainly salt is present, that is called the sodium chloride. Protein, albumin, globulin, fibrinogen present. Okay, and listen, now we will come in the blood cell. 3 types of blood cells present in animal. The one is called the RBC. What is the name of RBC? Red blood cell. It is also called erythrocytes. What is that, beta? Erythrocytes. It is red in color. Now the question is arise. Why it is red in color? Because in which hemoglobin pigment is present. Hemoglobin pigment, that is iron containing pigment, red in color. That's why it is red in, blood is red in color. And RBC biconcave in shape, beta. Which shape? Biconcave shape. Nucleus absent. 120 days lifespan. How many days lifespan? Lifespan means beta life cycle. Lifespan means कितने समय जिंदा रहेगा. So that is 120 days. Now I am taking WBC. White blood cell, also called leukocyte. What is the another name? Leukocyte. Are you getting my point now? Leukocyte. Leukocytes round in shape. 7 days of 7 days. Yani 2 days to 7 days life cycle. 2 days to 7 days life cycle. Types of WBC beta. Which type? 2 types. What is that? One is granulocyte. Second is agranulocyte. One is granulocyte. Second is agranulocyte. Granulocyte again divided in the 3 part type. Neutrophillus. Second, eosinophilus. Third, basiophilus. Neutrophillus, eosinophilus, basiophilus. Now, all leukocyte, 2 types. Monocyte or leukocyte. What is that? Monocyte or leukocyte. Okay. What is the function of neutrophillus? Neutrophillus is phagocytic in nature. Which neutrophillus is phagocytic. Means engulf the germs. Germs को खा जाना. Germs को निगल जाना. And next है आपका leukocyte. What is the function of leukocyte? Produce, yes.
मैम किसी और
Yes,
किसी और की आवाज आ रही है मैम, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही इसकी वजह से.
बेटा प्लीज अपना माइक म्यूट करो. अपना माइक म्यूट कर दो बेटा. Listen me again, I am repeating. WBC round in shape, 2 type, granulocyte, agranulocyte. WBC lifespan few days to 7 days. Nucleus present in WBC. Granulocyte is 3 types: neutrophilus, basophilus, eosinophilus. Granulocyte 2 types: monocyte or lymphocyte. What is the function of neutrophilus? Neutrophilus engulf germs को निगल जाती है. And lymphocyte produce antibodies. Lymphocyte produce antibodies. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question.
Ma'am, another name of WBC is
WBC, leukocyte. What is that name? Leukocyte. Yes, any doubt? WBC, another name is leukocyte. Any doubt, you can ask me question. Yes. Next, monocyte remove the dead cell from the body. What is the function of monocyte? Monocytes remove dead cell from the body. Okay. And basophilus help in anticoagulation. What is the function of basophilus? Anticoagulations. Okay. Yes. Any doubt, you can ask me question. Yes, beta. Any doubt, you can ask me question.
Ma'am, describe basophilus.
Basophilus is a types of leukocytes. 2 types of leukocyte, granulocytes, agranulocyte. So it is a type of granulocyte. Granulocyte, neutrophilus, eosinophilus, basophilus. What is the function of basophilus? Basophilus is anticoagulation. Yani anticoagulation means it stop the coagulation. What is the coagulation? Coagulation means clotting of the blood. Blood clotting is called the coagulation. Blood clotting means blood ka jamna. Okay. Now next I am taking the platelets. Third type. Now listen me one more important thing. RBC more in number. 5,000 million per mm cube. 5,000 million per mm cube. And the size is 7.5 μm. And WBC size 8 to 15 μm. And 7,000 per mm3. How much it is present in the blood? 7,000 per mm3. Now, third is called the platelets. Beta, platelet size is here 2 to 3 μm. 2 to 3 μm. Okay. Now, next, what is the function of the platelets? Platelets help in blood coagulation, help in blood clotting. When any injury takes place in the body, what happens? When internal injury takes place, or outside injury takes place, blood secretion start, blood flowing start. On that time, platelets secrete thromboplastin, secrete some protein, that is a thromboplastin. That thromboplastin work with other protein, and which protein? In the blood, prothrombin is present, that convert into the thrombin. And in the presence of thrombin, fibrinogen convert into the fibrin, and fibrin combine with the RBC and from the blood clot. How the blood clot is formed? Blood clot formed by the platelets. In any person, beta, platelets number is lesser, blood clotting does not take place, and that disease is called the hemophilia disease. What is the name of disease? Hemophilia. What is the hemophilia, beta? In that person, blood platelets numbers are less. So what happens? When any injury takes place, continuously blood flow. Clotting does not take place. Why? Because platelets number is lesser. So what is the function of platelets? Help in blood clotting. Okay. Any doubt, you can ask me question.
Ma'am, please repeat that.
What repeat? Platelets. Platelet size is 2 to 3 μm. Platelets are lesser in number. Platelets help in blood clotting. A clotting is difficult. Blood clotting means stop. बेटा ये माइक ऑफ करो आप अपना, म्यूट करो अपना माइक. Clotting मतलब does not allow blood flow. Stop blood flowing. That is called the blood clotting. How it is possible? Because in platelets, fibrinogen protein is present. When injury takes place, thromboplastin secrete. That thromboplastin convert prothrombin into the thrombin. Thrombin convert fibrinogen into the fibrin. Fibrin combine with RBC form the blood clot. So the blood will not come out. तुमने देखा sometime internal injury take place. So internally we are not stopping the blood. Automatically blood stop. How it is possible? By the blood clotting. Who is responsible in which? Platelets. Okay? Any doubt? You can ask me question. Now I am taking the lymph. Next vascular tissue is the lymph. Lymph is also called the tissue fluid. What is that? Tissue fluid. Lymph present between the intercellular gap present between organ. Here lymph is present. Where the lymph is present, it is called the tissue fluid. In between the organ, gap is present. From the capillaries, blood seep out. In between the organ, gap is present. From the capillaries, blood seep out and collect. This is called the tissue fluid. This is also called the lymph. What is present in the lymph, beta? In lymph, lymphocytes is present. What is present? In lymph, lymphocytes are present and plasma. Plasma and lymphocytes are present in the lymph. What is the function of lymph? Lymph carry digested fat and lymph protect from the disease. It also protect from the disease. It carry digested fat. Okay. And maintain the blood composition. Maintain the blood level in the body. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question. Yes, beta, any doubt you can ask me question. Still you all are sharing my screen. Listen, आप लोगों में से बहुत से ने अभी भी वीडियो बंद नहीं करी है, तो इसकी वजह से बार बार मेरे फोटो के साथ साथ उनके फोटोज भी आ रहे हैं. मैंने बोला था बेटा केवल मेरी फोटो आएगी अगर आप वीडियो शेयर नहीं, वीडियो वाले बटन को क्रॉस कर दो, उसे प्रेस करोगे वो क्रॉस हो जाएगा. आप माइक को म्यूट कर दो, वीडियो को म्यूट कर दो, तो केवल मेरी फोटो होगी और सारी दिखाई देगा. अब नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question. Yes, beta, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Again, I am repeating the different types of the tissue with the help of the diagram. Look here. This diagram is visible.
Yes,
Full is
ma'am.
visible. Full is
Ma'am.
visible.
Yes, ma'am.
That is called the connective tissue. Again, repeating. Just I am repeating here. Connective tissue divide in the three types. First is connective tissue proper. What is that? Connective tissue proper. Visible, soft, matrix present. Divide in four types. Areolar, tendon, ligament, adipose. Second tissue is skeletal connective tissue. Matrix dense, mineralized. Divide in two types, cartilage, bone. Now the third type, that is vascular tissue. Matrix is fluid. Divide in two types, blood and lymph. Blood again divide in two types, plasma, blood cell. And blood cell divide in the three types, RBC, WBC, platelets. WBC divide in the two types, granulocyte beta, agranulocyte. Granulocyte divide in the three types: neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils. A granulocyte divide in monocyte or lymphocytes. Okay, so that is the overall. Today I will send diagram on WhatsApp. So please go through that diagram. Okay.